Okay, let's see if I can get across here to go feed my animals. I'll have to go over these. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get off my phone and grab some limbs.
That was what I received on my phone midway through the morning at the office from Mimi as she was heading up to feed the animals. So I went up with the car that we're now using in the place of the Honda, and this is what I found. Wasn't exactly where I thought it was, but it was a big mess. So then I ended up going to the walking to the farmhouse about a mile away and getting the chainsaw. As I went back with the chainsaw, I stopped the top of the hill before getting to the creek. Some of you know where I am, so you could see where it is. You can see the car there and can't really make out the trees, but that's where the blockage was. I said a mile earlier. It's probably 3/4 of a mile from the farmhouse. I took this video to show you not only the trees that have been blown over by the wind and their roots and all that, but also, and you can't really see it, but there are trees blown over all over the place. Some, these were pine, but some, that was a big tree down there. I don't know what it was. It's too far away to see, but it wasn't a pine. It's either an oak or something.